Well, here again we will start with what is given. So given we have to apply, it says properties, to apply numerator, componendo and dividendo, but before that make sure the variables are the same on both sides. But here it is numerator xy, denominator is uv. It's the same thing here. So we bring xy on the same side, uv on the same side. So 3x plus 4y, this is 3x minus 4y. So this is alternando. You won't have to write, you just do it. So we did that, and then apply componendo and dividendo. Now componendo dividendo is what? Numerator plus denominator, numerator minus denominator. So when there is more than one term, please use a bracket. I tell you why. This numerator plus denominator by numerator minus denominator, apply both sides. And then remove the bracket. Now this step you can do directly. You can do it directly, but then this sign the children normally make a mistake. So you put a bracket and then remove the bracket, so you will not make a mistake here. Now simplifying it, six by 8 is a common factor, remove it, you got it. Please do not do any cross multiplication at this stage here, right? You can get the answer by cross multiplication, but always use the property whether the question says or not, okay? Use the property, componendo or dividendo is the property which you have to use. Start from what is given, not from what is to be proved. Apply componendo dividendo properly. If it is more than one term, use a bracket, and it is always, remember it, numerator plus denominator by numerator minus denominator. It is not other way around, okay? It is always numerator first plus denominator and the numerator minus denominator. I come to the next. Well, solving for x, you have already done quadratic equation. So if you do the cross multiplication, you will get a quadratic equation and you can solve it. But here I would suggest to apply the property, right? So applying componendo and dividendo, I said this is the property which you always apply, componendo and dividendo, and you have to write it. So what it says, numerator plus denominator by numerator minus denominator. Okay, I repeat, use a bracket for yourself. I have not put the bracket. It has to be applied both sides. So the advantage here, one multiplication is off, right? So now do the cross multiplication. So rest is for you, okay, or I do it better for you. So the two values of x, 2 or 7.29, make sure that you write both the values. Okay, whenever there is a quadratic equation, I have told you earlier, both the values to be written. So this is one, and I get into a tougher one like this. So number 4.